The Old Man in the Meadow is one of the novels which is in literature in English in Tanzania. I think even other countries in Africa and other part of the world use this novel, The Old Man in the Meadow, by Ferdinand Oyono, in teaching and learning. Ferdinand Oyono wrote this novel, The Old Man in the Meadow, to address on the issue of effect of colonialism in Africa. Ferdinand Oyono wrote this novel in French, Revix Negra et la Medaille, but later this novel translated by John Leedy in the year of 1967 because Cameroon use French language as a national language, but John Leedy decided to translate this novel into English language because English language is an international language in the world. So as a learner or the literature experts can understand what Ferdinand Oyono means in his novel, The Old Man in the Meadow. Dear listeners, make sure you know the year of publication of this novel, The Old Man in the Meadow. As I said, this novel was written in French language in the year of 1956. It means that before independence of Cameroon, because we know Cameroon got its independence in the year of 1960. So this novel, it talks of the issue of effect of colonialism. That's why Ferdinand Oyono addressed different themes in this novel, so as to make aware and also to educate his fellow Africans on how to struggle against the evils done by white people or colonialists during the colonialism. Apart from the era of colonial, also Ferdinand Oyono wrote these novels on how you can struggle against the issue of injustice or exploitation done by someone's maybe either your fellow Africans or the white people or someone is from outside, on how you make sure you stand and make sure you struggle for your rights. This novel, The Old Man in the Meadow, is used in Tanzania, especially in literature in English subjects. That's why I decided to give you this lesson about the novel, or the short summary of this novel, The Old Man in the Meadow, so as to know the general themes or the general content of the novel, The Old Man in the Meadow. Dear student teachers who study literature in English, who teach literature in English, make sure you know the short summary or the short synopsis of this novel. The Old Man in the Meadow talks on the issue of effect of colonialism, especially on the issue of land and alienation. We see in this novel, we see how Africans, their land were taken by colonialists so as to build their infrastructure, their houses and the other buildings. And also he addressed on the issue of betrayal, hypocrisy. We see how some of the Africans betray their fellow Africans, and also there's a kind of betrayal done by white people to the Africans. There is a kind of hypocrisy. We see how the main character Maker betrayed by white people, colonialists. We know or we see in this novel, Maker will come white people, and then he gave his land, but later the white people betray him, and also can him 10 sticks on the backbone. And he also, Ferdinand Oyono wrote this novel for us to educate or to give the message, the readers, on how to know the lives of Africans in those days. I mean, before independence of Africans. Africans were exploited, humiliated, dehumanized by white people. So Ferdinand Oyono, he gives us the feedback on the lives of the Africans in those days. And I mean, in the year of 1950s and also 1940s. So that is a short summary of the synopsis of this novel, The Old Man and the Meadow. If you have a question, you may ask or you may comment below this video. I can answer correctly. And also, don't forget to share to your fellow literature experts. Thank you. My name is Teacher Karigodoto Njige, the manager of literature and the young African writers. If you want to listen the long summary of this novel, The Old Man, the Meadow, you can find other videos and you can listen. I narrated this novel more than 4 videos. Thank you.